Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Comfort 3-lever operator chair. Features: unbeatable value high-back 3-lever operator chairs, which are perfect for use at a computer. The waterfall front seat eases pressure on the legs, promoting good blood flow. Backrest height and tilt adjustment infinitely lockable in any position. And includes gas seat height adjustment. The third lever operates a seat tilt function. Fitted with a strong nylon 5-star base and twin-wheel hooded casters. The chair is available without arms or with 3-arm options: fixed, adjustable or T-adjustable. A matching 2-lever version is available. Choose from 4 fabric colours or black leather faced for next day delivery. TUV and BIFMA tested gas lift up to 110 kg weight capacity, 17.3 stone. Fire retardant to BS 5852 and EN 1335 certified. The Comfort operator has a 2-year manufacturer's guarantee. Available from stock and delivered flat packed or fully assembled on a free next day or day of choice delivery service from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.